How to cancel Spotify premium subscription. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to cancel Spotify premium subscription. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Spotify on your mobile phone, or you can also do it on your laptop or PC. So once you open up your Spotify app, this is where you will get. Now there are two ways to cancel your subscription on Spotify. What you can do is you can either go to spotify.com from your Safari or Google, and you will just, get to your spotify.com, log in, and then go to your account and you will find the option. Or within the app, you will go to the settings. In settings, you have to click on premium. So here we have different plans available. You can see we have like a mini, premium individual, premium student, then we have premium family. So these are the different accounts that we have. And now you will actually find the plan you have chosen. So I actually have a free plan right now. So you can see it says current plan. If you have bought a plan, it will show you right here. For example, I have the premium individual. What will happen is that they will add it. For example, I can just buy this one and then it will be added here. You will click on the plan and it will show you your pricing plan, and it will also give you the cancel plan option. Click on cancel and your plan will be canceled from Spotify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.